Good morning, students. How are you? Have you observed these two classes? Previously, what I explained about the act? I think you observe, I think. Be carefully, listen and note down all these points which can help you to participate in the competitive examinations or inter-school quiz competitions. It can help you. So, you take notebook and a pen, note down all these important points. Now, I can tell you about directions. Already we learned about the earth. What is the shape of the earth? I told. Why the man cannot fall from the earth? That means you know very well. That is called the earth is a powerful magnet. It can pull us towards the earth, pull us towards earth. So we can't fall down. We land. The same time, oceans I explained, and the continents also explained which is the smallest continent and which is the largest continent, which is the deepest and largest ocean, which is the smallest ocean in the world. I told actually how many oceans, what is available I explained. We learn different things. In the continents I told 7 continents. Among all the continents have deserts except Europe. Europe have no desert. Even India also desert. That is Thar desert. Understand? In the continents, I told all the continents. Sahara desert is in Africa. That is the largest continent in the world, largest desert in the world. But Europe have no desert. Only the continent Europe have no desert. Now I can tell you about the directions. It is also, I think you learn in your class. Even though you learnt, once again I can explain about the directions. It's very, very important. The 4 directions are there. Four directions. Suppose sometimes you go somewhere along with your father by motorbike. That time your father may give signal right or left to keep right side or left side, and which side you go, that is the direction. Right direction, left direction. Understand or not? You observe, otherwise ask your father. While you are going straightly, sometimes you have to keep turn right. You give the direction like this. Automatically, the behind the traveler observe you and he may come slow. Yes, directions are very, very important. What are the 4 directions are there? How many directions are there? 4 directions are there. What are the 4 directions? East, west, north, generally we use the word news. That means from all the directions what the information you got, that is called news. Once again, news, today's news, newspaper, radio news, television news. That's what you have you ever had. You had every day news. News means the word N, north, east, west and south. This is called as news. Once again, 4 directions: east, west, north, south. In this way, news, the word news derived, that is N stand for from north, E from east, W from west, S from south. This is called as a news. Okay? Yes. Already I shown this map. Yes. The fundamental principle of the map is, this is the top, this is bottom, this is right, this is left. On the map, top of the map always is shown north, opposite north, south, opposite north, south. This is east, this is west, and the right side is east, left side is west. That is called 4 directions are there. There are 4 directions are there. Generally, the fundamental principle is the top of the map or top of the globe, whatever it may be, it shows north only. Easily we can learn. Listen. Where does the sun rises? Where does sun rises? Generally, the sun rises on the east. Suppose this is the east. This is the east. Generally, the sun rises on the east. Sunset opposite. The sun sets on the west. How? 4 directions. Okay. And 4 corners also there. I can tell you later. 4 corners. Four directions and 4 corners. 4 directions and 4 corners. Afterwards, listen. Top of the map always is shown. Suppose generally the sun rises. Other day I told you very clearly, the sun always rotate. The sun always rotate. It never stand, never still. That means this is the earth. How, in which direction the earth rotate? Listen. Always the earth rotate. Always the earth rotate. Even though earth rotate, we can't fall down because the earth have a magnetic power, so we can't fall down. Listen, this is, we have to learn more information about the solar system in your higher classes. Listen, this is the earth. In which direction earth rotate? Do you know? Yes, listen. This is the east direction. This is the west direction. This is the north. This is the south. So 4 directions are there. But earth rotate from west to east. Earth rotate from west to east direction. That means this is right, this is left. And that means left to right and also called anti-clockwise direction. Listen carefully. The earth always rotates around the sun. No doubt at all. Because of the rotation, because of the earth rotate, and day and nights are formed and also seasons are also formed. That is another important lesson I can tell you later in your 8th class. Listen, always the earth rotate left to right or west to east direction. Listen, suppose where does the sun rises? You know very well the sun rises on the east. Yes, if you stand opposite to the sunrise, that is east. Opposite backside is called as west. East opposite west. Yes. Now this is the north. If you stand opposite to the north, the behind direction is called as south. This is east, this is west. Listen, this is listen. Four directions. East, west, north and south. Yes, if you stand north, if you stand opposite to the north side, automatically behind is called as opposite to the north is the south. Right side east, left side west. Once again, if you stand opposite to the north, behind the direction is called south. East, right side is east, left side is west. Suppose if you stand opposite to the sun, that is sun rising is east, behind west, right side south, left side. Now these are the four directions are there. All you learn. The same time four corners also there. Four corners. This is and this is. Listen, this is the place between north and east is called northeast. The place between east and south, southeast. Yes. The place between north and west, this is called northwest. And the place between south and west is called southwest. Understand? How many directions are there? Four directions. That is north, east, west and south. Understand? North, east, west, south. This is called news. That means the information collected or information gathered from all the directions, from north, from south, from east, from west. This is called as a news. Four corners are there. That is called as the place between north and east, northeast corner. The place between east and south, southeast. The place between west and south, southwest. The place between north and west, northwest. So these are important corners and directions. Corners and directions. Now I can tell you important thing, and on the globe you observe some lines, some parallel lines, some vertical lines. I can tell you, I can explain you about these. Lines on the globe. Of course, globe is not available for us, so I can show you on the map. Listen, you observe on the map some parallel lines, some are vertical lines are there. On the map or on the globe, some lines are there. All these lines are imaginary lines. They imagine and drawn on the globe. So these are called as imaginary lines. Yes, what are called? Some lines are in horizontal, some are in vertical. That means parallel lines and vertical lines. You know, your math teacher may tell you about a x-axis and y-axis. Listen, some lines draw like this, some lines draw like this. This is parallel lines, this is vertical lines. This is called x. Yes, x-axis and the y-axis, you have to, the maths teacher may tell you. Listen, on the map, on the globe, on the map, on the globe, some lines are drawn. It has some name. These are called as latitudes and longitudes. These are very, very important things. Of course, our ancient scientist of India, Aryabhat, is also said about these lines. I can show on the map or globe. Listen. This is the earth. This is the shape of the earth. On this earth, some lines are drawn horizontally or vertically. You listen, yesterday I told you about the earth is spherical in shape. Yes, absolutely right, no doubt at all. But earth is not fully spherical. That means near the poles is somewhat pressed here, just a little bend. In the middle of the earth, it is somewhat bulges. Listen, on the earth, some lines I can draw. All these are called as imaginary lines. Okay. Listen, these are called latitudes. Listen, on the map, some lines are drawn. These are called latitudes, longitudes, longitudes and degree. First I can tell you about latitudes. This is the imaginary line which you draw in the middle of the earth, in the middle of the earth, exactly middle of the earth. So this is called, the name is called equator. Understand? What is equator? Why it is called as? Yes, equator divide the earth into two equal parts. The equator divide at the two equal, it has the two important parts. Listen, it is called as equator. It is a 0 degree latitude. 0 degree latitude. That means these lines are started from 0, it becomes end 90 degrees. From equator to north, in 90 degrees of north, the point is called as a north pole. Exact the same. From equator to south, this is also 90 degrees. South pole. Understand? That means maximum 0 degree to north 90 degrees and 0 degree equator to north pole 90 degrees. The totally latitudes are 180. How many latitudes are there? From this is the north, this is the south. What do you understand? Above the equator is called as north, below the equator is called as south. Understand? Whatever the lines you drawn, we have to say north latitude, south latitude, you have to say. Listen, it is a north, it is a south. It is also called as the equator divide the earth into two equal parts, that is called northern hemisphere and southern hemisphere. Next map I can explain. Listen, this is the north and this is the south, and some other lines also draw. This is called 23.5 degrees. Tropic of Cancer. This is also latitude 66. Listen, equator divides earth into two equal parts, north and south. Here we draw the one of the line. This is called 23.5 degrees of what we called north latitude. This is also, we have to say, north latitude. Understand? This is north, draw one line. That is 23.5 degrees of north latitude. We have to say north latitude. If you draw a line south latitude, you have to say. Listen, here also (23.5 degrees of south) is called as Tropic of Capricorn. And 66.5 degrees of south latitude is called as Antarctic. This is Arctic Circle, this is Antarctic Circle. Understand? Listen, all these latitudes and longitude, all the latitudes, no man can draw exactly. It is imaginary lines. Just imagine for the convenience of the place, convenience of our scientist, these lines are drawn. This is called a latitudes. Once again, 0° latitude is called as equator. The equator divides the earth into two equal parts, that is called north, this is called south. As all these lines which are drawn in the northern hemisphere is called as Tropic of Cancer. What I have to say? 23.5 degrees of north latitude is called as a Tropic of Cancer. Already I wrote here. And again 66.5 degrees of north latitude is called as Arctic Circle. That is also north latitude. This is what? 90 degrees of, here it became an end. Not less than 0, not more than 90 degrees of latitude. So, this is the north pole, this is the south pole. The total number of latitudes are called as 180. This is 90, equator to north pole 90 latitudes, and equator to south pole is 90 degrees, totally 180 degrees. So, I can tell you longitudes. Yes, listen, separately I can draw. Visible here? If you draw here, visible or not? Longitudes. Listen, this is the earth. This is north, this is south. You draw the line vertically. Listen, it is east, this is west. It is called as eastern hemisphere. It is called as western hemisphere. This is called as northern hemisphere. It is called as southern hemisphere. So, this. Listen, 0° longitude is called as Greenwich longitude. It is called Greenwich in London. As it is called as Greenwich longitude is called as international date line. That means 180 degrees. It is also called as international. That means the 180 degrees of longitude is called as international date line. Yes, international DAT, international date line. Listen, international date, and that means here also you draw the some lines. It is all in the same length, same distance. But not like that. Yes, equator is the longest of all the latitudes. Like that, Greenwich longitude is the longest of all the longitudes. Listen, there are 360. That means this is east, this is west. This is east and west. Listen, sir, east and west. This is east to west, 180 longitudes and 180 longitudes, totally 360 longitudes are there. It is also called as meridians. Longitudes are called as, listen, Longitudes that are also called as meridians, means with the help of longitudes we may know the time. For that only, yes, generally we have to say AM and PM. Listen, latitudes and longitudes. With the help of latitudes, we know identify the place. With the help of latitudes, we may identify the places. With the help of longitudes, places and the time. It is also called as a meridian. So 180 degrees of longitude is called as a international date line. This is 180, this is also 180, totally 360 longitudes. Once again, yes, simply I can explain finally. Grid I can tell. Grid. What is called grid? What is called a grid? Listen. This is Earth, 90 degrees north pole, south 90 degrees south pole. This is the yes. Listen, what is called grid? Grid means the network of latitudes and longitudes on the globe is called as grid. The network of these are called latitudes. These are called that means longitude, and that means this is the globe you feel, this is the shape of the earth, some lines are drawn, that is called as horizontal lines are called as latitudes, horizontal lines called latitudes, verticals are called as longitudes. So here the latitudes and longitudes are intersect each other. The latitudes and longitudes are intersect each other, so it is called grid. It is called grid. How many grids on the globe? Number of grids. There is no particular limit, but here latitudes and longitudes have limit. Only 180 latitudes, only 360 longitudes. Not like that grid. With the help of grid, easily we may locate place. With the help of grid, we may locate the place. Understand? Once again, latitudes, longitudes, grid. Grid means the network of latitudes and longitudes on the globe is called as grid. With the help of grid, we will locate the place. Like that, with the help of equator, with the help of latitudes, we may locate the place. With the help of longitudes, longitude is also called as meridians. So we may know the time. So the 180 degrees of Greenwich longitude is called as international date line. What about